Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your personal details in Litchi. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the bottom of your screen and press on your profile there. After that, you can just look in the top of the right corner and press on the two lines there. And here you can just fill out your personal details, such as your first name, last name, middle name, if you have, the date of birth, the phone number that you have, and finally the Gmail address that you use. You have to confirm both the phone number and the Gmail address, and after that you can just press on save and your personal information will be saved there or changed. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.